Press the menu button. The menu will give you access to adjust the shot volume, duration, and temperature. Let's adjust the shot volume first. Select Shot Vol in the menu. Dose the portafilter using the auto grind dose and tamp function. Insert and lock the portafilter into the group head. The shot volume will be displayed on the LCD screen. Rotate the select dial to the 1 cup to reprogram the 1 cup button, or 2 cup to reprogram the 2 cup button. Press the select dial to start the espresso extraction. When your required espresso volume or duration has been extracted, press the select dial to stop the extraction. The machine will beep once to confirm the new volume plus duration. To adjust the shot temperature, select Shot Temp from the menu screen. The shot temperature will now be displayed on the LCD screen. Press the select dial and the current temperature will flash. Turn the select dial to the required temperature, then press again to set. The machine will beep once to confirm the new temperature. While we recommend 93 degrees Celsius, just like a commercial machine, different beans might require different brew temperatures to extract their full flavor.